I'm going to show you how to fix the Xbox app not working or not opening on your Windows 10 or 11 PC or laptop. Now, the first thing we're going to do is open up the search bar at the bottom and type in add or remove programs. From here, click the search box at the top and search for Xbox. When you found your Xbox, go all the way to the right with the three dots, click the three dots, and then select advanced option. From here, scroll down very slightly until you see terminate. Click terminate. Then we want to, under reset, click repair and give that a few seconds. Once that's repaired, then we want to click reset. Once we've done that, there are now two more steps to hopefully get your Xbox app up and running. Close this and then go back to your search box again and then type in Windows PowerShell. Right click on this and then click run as administrator. From here, there are a couple of commands we're going to paste into PowerShell, which will be pasted below for your convenience as they're kind of long. So we'll paste the first one, then press enter. So to paste into this, all you need to do is press Control V. You're not going to be able to right click or anything. Once that's done, we will copy the next one and again, press enter and it will open up gaming services within the Microsoft Store. All we need to do is click the get button, which along with the other command prompt should now have fixed the Xbox app issue of not opening or just crashing. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.